Module Overview. In this module, we shift from presentation to operation, the behind-the-scenes logistics that determine whether your online art store operates efficiently, consistently, and profitably. Many artists and creative entrepreneurs struggle with the mechanics of managing stock, processing orders, keeping track of inventory, organizing SKUs, and handling fulfillment. This module tackles those areas with precision. You will learn how to build scalable systems for inventory management, choose fulfillment models that match your artistic goals and business size, and avoid costly mistakes that can damage your brand reputation, such as delayed deliveries, incorrect packaging, or unfulfilled orders. Whether you sell original pieces, prints, or a hybrid of both, this module empowers you with operational confidence. You will also explore the difference between in-house fulfillment versus third-party logistics, 3PL, how to set up automation in your e-commerce backend, and ways to monitor stock levels, especially when selling across multiple platforms.
Learning objectives. By the end of Module 5, you will be able to track and organize artwork inventory using professional systems and digital tools. Design a logical, scalable fulfillment workflow that suits the type of art they sell. Choose between self-fulfillment, drop shipping, or outsourcing to a fulfillment center. Handle special orders, limited editions, and custom commissions with order tracking integrity. Avoid overselling and under-delivering by integrating inventory across channels. Understand packaging needs in relation to fulfillment models and delivery timelines. Inventory Management Fundamentals. Definition of inventory in the context of art, originals, prints, frames, packaging supplies. Inventory categories: sellable, reserved, raw materials, WIP, SKU system basics. Naming conventions, item tracking, edition tracking, art-specific inventory tools, artwork archive, art galleria, Airtable, Shopify inventory, order, processing workflow, order receipt, Arrow order, confirmation, Arrow inventory, deduction, Arrow shipping workflow, processing payments and fraud checks before fulfillment, order, acknowledgement emails, and automated receipts, custom orders and special requests adding personalization notes, time frame standards for fulfillment 1 to 3 days versus 5 to 7 days for prints, etc. Setting up a stock-keeping system, SKU. Why SKUs are critical for multi-platform and multi-format sales. How to name SKUs to reflect collection, format, and size, e.g., Coel Sunset 12 by 18 GP. Managing limited edition prints, numbering, tracking sold versus available inventory, avoiding duplicate codes and manual errors. How to read SKU reports and restocking thresholds. Fulfillment models explained. In-house fulfillment, packing and shipping from your own studio third-party logistics, 3PL. Outsourcing packaging/shipping, EEG, Printful, ShipBob, Guten. Print on demand, POD. Hands-off order fulfillment with automatic printing and delivery, hybrid models. Mixing originals with outsourced print fulfillment. Choosing based on cost, control, brand aesthetics, and delivery speed. Packaging workflow integration. Packaging checklists to align with fulfillment timelines, using batch processing for similar orders, e.g., print runs, automated versus manual packaging and label printing. Setting up workspace efficiency for self-fulfillment. Packaging materials stock management. Multi-channel inventory syncing. Selling on multiple platforms, Shopify, Etsy, Saatchi Art, Artfinder. Avoiding overselling by syncing inventory in real time, using tools like Sellbrite, Skubana, or Shopify integrations for central management, allocating inventory between channels or linking shared databases. What happens when items sell in 2 places at once? Prevention and correction, cost analysis, and fulfillment pricing. Calculating fulfillment cost per order, weighing labor versus outsourcing costs, packaging, storage, handling, and carrier fees, integrating fulfillment costs into your art pricing, cost-effective packaging without compromising protection or brand feel, handling returns, lost orders, and damage, policies and systems for return management, damage control, how to pack for zero returns, shipping insurance, when to buy and what it covers, lost orders, what to do when tracking stops updating customer communication templates for delays and disputes,